Mitchell Starc, Pat Cummins, Nathan Lyon for us, David Warner. You got so many names that I can rattle off, and these will go down. Some of the great players in Australian cricket, which you don't get in one team all at once. Even guys got like Travis Head batted beautifully at the moment. I think it's a pretty good Australian team. It's a pretty cool Australian team to watch, to be honest. And I think the same applies to the Pakistani team. You got Shaheen Shah. You got Babar Azam. You got these big names coming out. And I think it's going to be very competitive. I really do. 3 test matches. I reckon it's going to be some 3 good test matches. So I think that's why the fans are going to come out and watch, because it's going to be really cool. It's like the epitome of spirit of cricket, isn't it? The way it all happened. They were at each other, during a test match, and then even when Warner got dismissed, it wasn't no hard feelings. It was a bit of pat, and it was pretty cool to watch. Even that whole series was one of the great series. I thought not only what was happening on the field, but what was happening off the field too. Even after the test match finished, it was a pretty special series, and that's what you want. I think that's what Australians love. Whether it's test match cricket or you're watching a park cricket, you play hard, but after the game's over, you're all good, you're all mates off the field, and I think that's what was really cool to be a part of. I think Shaheen Shah and Mitchell Starc are both very fast bowlers. They get up 145, 150, maybe not 160, but the thing they have is they also swing the ball. Starkey, we know, swings the new ball, and Shaheen Shah's got one of the best wrists in the world. He definitely swings the ball. When you got guys doing that at 145 kilometres an hour in Australian conditions, you're going to get days like this where it's overcast too. It's tough work for us openers. That's why it's the hardest job in the game. So it's what you revel for. It's what you love playing against. If you can perform and succeed against players like those, you've done well. Babar Azam is one of the best batsmen in the world in all 3 formats of the game. Steve Smith, in my opinion, is the greatest test batsman of our era. So when you have those 2 together playing against each other, and it's like when Virat comes over, same thing. You're matching Steve Smith with Virat, you're matching Steve Smith with Babar. And I think one of the great things about Babar is he performs not only in Pakistan, but he actually does really well in Australian conditions too. He scored hundreds out here when he's come in the past, particularly in one-day cricket. And guys that can adapt to the Australian conditions, particularly from the subcontinent, a little bit of bounce, always a little bit different for the subcontinent cricketers. They're the contests you want to see, and when you've got 2 big dogs going at it, there's nothing better.